two forms of movement. Locomotor movements. Locomotor movements involve moving the body through space from one location to another. Examples of locomotor movements are walking, jumping, climbing, running, marching, humping, sliding, skipping, leaping, and crawling. Walking is an act of instance of doing on foot, especially for exercise or pleasure. Slide step. Do leg slides to tone your abdominal and leg muscles. Lie flat on your back and slightly bend your knees. Non-locomotor movement does not move the body from place to place as locomotor movement does. Example of non-locomotor movements are bending, flexing,